Hi guys! Today I want to show you vegan mushroom pasta recipe. Okay, let's start. What we need for cooking? Ingredients: spaghetti, mushrooms, creamy seasoning, vegan milk and mushroom broth. First of all, I need to boil water and add broth. Then I put the spaghetti in boiling water and wait for preparation. After that, I take some mushrooms and cook it. Spaghetti is ready. Then I fry the mushrooms until golden brown. I sprinkle mushrooms with creamy seasoning and pour in vegan milk. The sauce is ready. And now I pour the sauce over the pasta. It's delicious. Bon appetit! Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. It helps me a lot. And see you in next video. Bye!